It's exceeded our expectations. We tried to change a whole lot of the formats for this conference compared to previous ones. We've had the largest number of full delegates that we've ever had before. Very few day trippers, and we're trying to encourage the long-term delegates. A lot more loan riders. Out of the total, I think about 60% of all attendees are either loan riders or broker businesses or broker channel people. So that's where we want to move. So we're getting the people at the grassroots involved in the conference and the expo. Well, I think the interesting thing about the industry is a lot of people who've been in this industry for the last 5 years have seen nothing but boom times, and there's been an expectation that you're going to see 20%, 30% growth every year. What's happened now is we're seeing about 10%, 12% growth, which is pretty healthy growth, but that's just about the average growth over the last 30 years. So people are just going to get used to living in a normal cycle rather than a boom cycle, and that's good. And that may see a little bit of a shakeout in the industry. Some of the marginal players may not survive, but that's a natural dynamic in a growing industry. Well, look, there's probably a number of issues, but the main one that's concerning us as a representative of the industry is regulation, how it will play out, how it will impact on our members. Fortunately, we think we've made the standards of our membership pretty high, so that when regulation does apply to us on a national basis, our members will be already ready. So we think it'll be a fairly seamless move from our membership into a regulated environment. Hi, I'm Phil Naylor, CEO of the Mortgage and Finance Association of Australia, the MFAA. Welcome to LCTV.